welcome back. I hope you all are having an amazing day. So, first, again, thank you so much for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. And I do want to remind you guys, we do have an active giveaway going on right now with the Thrift a Bag video. That link will be down below, so check it out if you have not already. But as you can see from the title down below, today we're going to be unboxing or unbagging our October 2019 My Paper Box Mini. So I'm going to go over what My Paper Box is for those of you that do not know, and then we'll open it and see what we got. So My Paper Box has two different subscriptions. I have already unboxed the grand subscription for the month. That one is $28, and that comes with cards and a calendar, pins, stickers, all kinds of fun stuff. You never know what you're going to get in that one. It is amazing. And it's a stationery subscription. But the best part is it is personalized. Everything has your name on it. Well, then they have the mini, which is only $10, and this is also personalized, and this is going to have 3 different notepads. Now, when I say notepads, I don't necessarily mean just plain blank, excuse me, I'm trying to get hiccups, plain blank notepads. It may be like a shopping list, a spring cleaning type list, just different types of notepads and things like that. But again, they're going to be personalized, and this one is only $10. So let's get in here. This mailer is super cute and appropriate. So oh, and look, the inside of the mailer right there is orange. Love it. Let's see what we got for October. Again, I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up for either the grand or the mini. All right, so this is how it came this month. Everything is wrapped up. And I forgot that this is their birthday month. So happy birthday, My Paper Box. So there it says, happy birthday. Says, you're invited to our digital birthday party. Happy October, our 1-year anniversary. I hope everyone has a spooky month. Now, you can get 20% off subscriptions if you use the code 1YearFriends. That's awesome. Cute. It's like a cat ghost. All right, so let's take a look at our notepads. This first one on top is so cute. It says magic spells, charms, and potions, and it does have my name on it right there. So that is what it looks like. And then it has, I think that is like a little cat stirring up some witch's brew. So that is cute. I like that. This is adorable. Again, has my name personalized. Everything is always personalized. Say boo and scary on. So there is my name. And then there's a cute little ghost. So adorable. Love that. And then this is what I was talking about. It may not necessarily just be like a regular notepad. This is super, super cute. And this actually would get you through more than just October. And it says, this is where the magic starts. So you could write the month, and then you have different days here. And you do this, you can have a checklist. You're my boo. Y'all, how cute is that? Oh my gosh, I love it. That is adorable. It's the little cat ghost again. You're my boo. I love this. That's one thing about this subscription too, is it's usually always so cute and fun, and just, it puts a smile on your face. I mean, anything with your name on it, you know, it's little extra and fun. So I really enjoy it. So like I said, I will put a link down below. And again, don't forget they have that promo code through October, 1 year friends. So spell out 1 O-N-E year friends. You get 20% off any subscription, which is amazing. So again, the link will be down below as well as the link for the giveaway. So enter if you haven't. Let me know what you guys thought. I hope you enjoy your day, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.